tell us about your hopes and dreams in life?
I'm a little bit nervous about my future work. I have to move to a strange city and there are no families and no friends. I'm really worried about this because I have to move to a strange place. I'm working in a foreign trade company and I'm really worried about my spoken English. So yeah, that's why I play HelloTalk and I wanted to communicate with more foreigners so that I think I can practice my English by this way so that I can improve my English.
That's a great reason to connect with others, to practice your English language, because this is Hello Talk, and that's what Hello Talk is for, right?
Mm.
Are you having fun on Hello Talk?
Yes, I meet a lot of great person because I think it is they give me so much confidence and we really had a great time. And I also came across a lot of very gentle and awesome person that really make me happy. Yeah.
What's your opinion about virtual friends?
I don't know. I prefer real friends than virtual friends because I think in my real life with my real friend I can do whatever things we want. But for virtual friends, the thing we can do is limited.
I agree. You can't do so much online.
Yeah. Oh, and one more thing. I think, in virtual room, sometimes we saw the things is maybe it's not reality.